doing good. I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Teespring print on demand tutorial. The first thing you want to do once you're on teespring.com, you can tap on Start Creating, and it is completely free to sign up. All you'll need is your email address, as you can see right here, and you can create a password. You can also sign up using your Facebook account, your Google account, or your YouTube account. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, there are a few things that I would like you to pay attention to. The first thing is, from the left-hand menu option, you can start creating your first product. To create your first product, you'll need to tap on Create Product in the top left-hand corner. After tapping on Create Product, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you could tap on the search bar at the top of the page and search for the product that you would like to add your design to. Or you can tap on New Products and you can see the new products that they recommend that you add your design to. Or you can view Teespring Best Sellers by tapping on Best Sellers right there. And you can see the classic pullover hoodie is a very popular one. You can also sell digital products using Teespring. So for example, if I were to tap on digital right here, from here you'll be able to upload a course, music, or any digital product that you would like to start selling. Now, before going into that, there's something else I also want to show you. If we should go back to the home page and tap on integrations from the left-hand menu option, from here you'll see that you'll be able to sell or integrate Teespring with TikTok, Beacons AI, Discord, YouTube, Twitch, Link3, OnlyFans, and Pop-Up Shop. So you can see that there are multiple platforms that you can quickly integrate Teespring on. Now when it comes on to creating a product, we're going to tap on Create Product right there. After selecting Create Product, you can select, as I said earlier, you can tap on the search bar and search for the particular product that you would like to add your design to, or you can tap on any one of these recommended ones. After selecting the product, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on Add Image to upload the image or design that you would like to add to the product. If you don't want to do that, you could tap on Text and you could type out the text that you would like to use. A popular platform that I normally recommend that persons use to create designs is Canva. For example, once on Canva, all you'll need to do, you could simply type in t-shirt right here and you'll see the option t-shirt logo. And by the way, it is completely free to use Canva. Once you have found a design that you like, let's say this one, all you'll need to do is select it, then tap on Customize this template. After selecting Customize this template, you can add your own personal touches. So for example, I can tap on the text right here and I could type in whatever I want. So let's say for example, simple. And I'm going to change this text also to answers. After doing that, so let me do that real quick. Simply select the text right here. Then from there you can type out whatever you want. After you have done that, if I wanted to change the color of the text, all I will need to do is select the text box, then tap on text color from the top navigation bar. After doing that, I can also edit this section if I wanted to. So I'm going to edit this. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then select Download. Then you're going to tap on Download once more. Once it has been downloaded, all you'll need to do is go back into Teespring. From here, you're going to tap on Add Image. Then you're going to select the design that you have created and you're going to tap on Open. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the recommended price right here. You can change the price if you want. You can see the recommended price and the profit that you'll be making. You can tap on Advanced at the bottom of the page, and then from there you can choose how you showcase this design in your store. So you can select either this option which shows the front, or you can select to show it on the back. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue in the bottom left hand corner. After tapping on Continue, you can tap on Continue once more. Then from there, you can see you can create more listings. So we're going to tap right here where you see title, and we're going to be adding a title for this. So we'll call it Simple Answers T-shirt. We'll do that real quick. So let me type that in. Then you could add a description right there. So I'll simply type in Simple Answers T. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the URL that you're provided with for free with Teespring. If you would like to change the URL in the future, you can do that. After doing this, you're going to tap on Launch Listing. Now that you have tapped on Launch Listing, you can see that the listing is being prepared. Once it has been prepared, you can tap on Share URL. If we were to tap on Share URL, you'll see that we have copied our URL. We can tap on View Listing and see how it looks on our free Teespring store. So you can see how it looks right there. And all someone would need to do once they come onto our store, they can select the size they want, then they'll tap on Add to Cart, and from there they can continue with their purchase, as you can see right there. Now, if you were to integrate this onto another platform, all you need to do, we could tap on Stores right here, and you can see the store that I have created that we got earlier. So you can see the store right there. You can tap on View Your Store, and this is the store right here. Another thing that you can also do, you can edit the store name and so on. And as I was saying earlier, you can connect an existing domain, or you can purchase a new domain name for your store. Now when it comes on to integration, all you'll need to do is tap on integration right here. And let's say we wanted to integrate this on link 3. All you'll need to do is tap on link 3 right here. After tapping on link 3, you can tap on Add This to My Link 3, and you'll be able to do that. Another thing you can also do is, if you were to tap on Pop-up Shop, and let's say for example you wanted to create a widget that you can embed onto another platform or a website, all you'll need to do is tap on Add Widget right here. After you have tapped on Add Widget, you can see the t-shirt design that I had created earlier. All I would need to do is simply tap on Publish right here. After you have tapped on Publish, you'll be provided with a HTML code that you can quickly copy and paste onto your website. Once you're finished doing all of that, all you'll need to do now is scroll down. From here, you'll be able to view your analytics by tapping on Analytics from the left-hand menu option. From here, you'll be able to see the amount of persons that have visited your store, the amount of units that have been sold, and the amount of profit that you have made. You can also view all of the designs that you have created by tapping on Listings. After doing that, you will see your designs right here, and you can tap on Payouts also, and by tapping on Payouts, you'll be able to see your payouts. You can also connect Payoneer and so on to Teespring. All you'll need to do is tap on Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. After tapping on Settings, you can scroll down, and then from there you'll see Payoneer Settings. You can also set up two-factor authentication right here. Another thing you can do, if you were to tap on Tools and Services, from here you can create promotion code if you want by tapping on Promotions. You can also add tracking pixels by tapping on Tracking Pixels in the bottom left-hand corner. From here you can add your Facebook pixel, Twitter pixel, Pinterest pixel, or your Google pixel, as you can see right there. And that's it. Those are all of the features of Teespring. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.